Hey, do you want to learn how to convert an image to 3D animation with AI? We're going to be using a tool called Immersity 3.0 AI. This tool was previously called as Leapix, and now it's called as Immersity AI. I'm going to show you step by step on how to use it. And if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So we're going to be using this tool called Immersity AI. And you can see here, like this would be a simple image that will be converted into this type of a motion where it's looking like an animation, but it's actually just an image. So this would be a 2D image and it would convert this into an animation like this. And you can look at what other animation styles can be. If you have got Apple Music album, you can also animate those covers with Immersity AI. And if you feel that this looks very similar to another tool, then you're right. And if you feel that this tool looks very similar to another tool, then you're completely right. This tool was before called as Leapix, and now it's converted into Immersity AI. And it does not just do 2D to 3D motion, it also has some other features inside it. So you can have a 2D video, a 2D movie scene, and convert it into 3D video. So it's going to have this natural depth engine to calculate this. It's going to convert your video into a more immersive 3D experience, which can be enjoyed on an XR device, including Apple Vision Pro or Meta Quest. There's also a 2D to 3D image. So you can have a 2D image and it's going to add depth of field in it. And then it's going to look more 3D like this. To be honest, I do not see anything looking 3D in it. Maybe if you view it in Apple Vision Pro, you would feel the 3D of that image. But for me, they both look similar. So I'm going to click on sign in. And once you're signed in, it's going to look like this. There's also a subscribe button. Let's take a look at that. Okay, so they got the subscription plans in it. So you cannot do the Apple Music album motion in the free plan, which makes no sense because I just need to take that picture and convert it into in motion, 3D motion in the free plan as well. In image, it's just saying that it's going to convert it up to 4K resolution. So here in free, it's 720p. So that's the difference, I guess. There's also depth map, which is not available in free, and no commercial use in free, and watermarked only export. And these are some of the different features in it. You can check it out. This was for image, and this is for video, which is much more expensive than the image version. Okay, so I'm going to add an image of mine here. So I'm going to click on upload. It's a caricature that I created using an AI tool. It looks like me. And on the right hand side, it's 3D motion. So these are the motion styles and I can choose between them. To be honest with you, it's not really that impressive. Today, there are many different tools out there that can do more motion to it compared to just moving it left, right, up and down. But yes, if you have a use case for this, then sure. You can set the focus point, the animation length, the amount of motion. The depth map is not available currently in this version. You need to select the Immersity 3.0. For that, there's a 3D image. So this is going to turn that 2D image into 3D. So you can do so from here, the amount of depth. And once you're done here, you can export it. You've got all these export formats. You will have to select limited version because the Plus and Premium requires a paid plan with credits. And same for 3D motion, you can export it here in MP4 3D motion or GIF, PNG depth map, or Apple Music album motion. And if I'm not wrong, this was not available in the free plan, but I'm not sure why they're giving it. So it says here that export size Apple Music album motion and no watermark and commercial use included. But really, I do not understand why are they charging 1,000 credits for this. This is a simple square with the same motion inside it. There's nothing different in it. So if I cancel it and I just export it, simple MP4 version, what's the difference between that and this? Maybe they're looking at the watermark here. That could be the reason. So if I just export the standard limited version like this, today there are tools, the AI tools that can remove the watermark. So it's very easy to do. So yeah, it just makes no sense. I can just download the MP4 file. What is required for Apple album? The file format that is required is an MOV format. All right. So we can just take this MP4 version, remove the watermark with an AI tool, and then just convert it into an MOV format online. There are many tools to doing it. Just do an MP4 to MOV and convert it. So yeah, overall, I do not understand the need for this tool, but still, if you have a specific need, you can use it. This is probably going to be more useful, the 2D to 3D video. And I remember when it was Leapix, there were more artifacts around the character that we were trying to animate. And with the Immersity 4.0, there's really not much of the artifacts showing up. It's much better now compared to the last time. And if you look at the Immersity 3.0, there's too many artifacts going on around it. All right, so that's it. That's how to use Immersity AI to convert your image to 3D motion. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And if you want to see my other software tutorials, it's going to be on the right hand side in a playlist. So check it out and see you there.